Hey guys, and I'm playing today with my Akai. So remember when we've been listening to it, the empty sound comes from the record amplifier. So I'm trying to pull out. So actually it's not fully capacitor free. So what I learned is that from output of the preamplifier is there is like capacitors, two of them, which sits on the sound pass. So I believe those are kind of film capacitors, but of the high capacitance. So probably I'm going to measure. So my device is still charging. Let me see what we have here. Okay, 1000 nanofarad. Okay, that's probably the reason for this teeny sound. 1000 nanofarad is like 0.001 microfarad. I just don't get it why it sits on the sound pass, or maybe it's... So let me see. Let me get a tool. So here we have a microchip. Okay, so it's one. So like number one. So 3 inputs, 1 output, and it goes right here to this capacitor. Or this capacitor sits on the reverse, well, not reverse, on the back signal pass. So here is a resistor, comes, okay. So, but it still may affect the sound quality. I will try to replace it and see if it gets better or not. These two guys. If not, then I will go further on the pass. We also have 2 other capacitors sitting right here. Yeah, from the other leg to the ground. This one and this one. And those are ceramic or like fume capacitors either. Okay, let me see. Let me check if I can make it better. Thank you and see you soon. Okay guys, I'm moving on. You see couple new Nichicon capacitors installed versus these old film capacitors of large capacity. I believe they've done. So those was like 1000 nanofarad. It's 1 microfarad actually. Sorry, I was misleading you. So I say I'm still 1 microfarad, and I had to measure every capacitor using this device because those capacitors has no any mark on it. So capacitance is not known unless you measure. You see, all of them show this J631826. That's it. Or here is the mark, 0.22. You see? Okay. This one, 0.1. Here we go. Finally, I decoded this thing. And this 1.0. So we decoded these values. Now I can see it. So I was correct. So I'm also replace it with VMA capacitors which are connected to the head. So those 680 picofarad. Let me see. There is a couple more I'd like to replace, and 2 more here before relay. To make sure that we may hear to the normal sound, not this teeny sound and dry. Thank you, see you soon. And one more news. So actually I measured it one more time. Those 2 guys sitting on the head were 68 picofarad, not 680. So I will replace them again to make it work better. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Okay guys, after all replacements, so we see like I replaced this film capacitors with Nichicon Muse, those which affect the sound, and I'm recording on TDK-D90, and that's the frequency response I'm getting. Let's remove the slides. So this is type 1 tape, TDK-D90, and we're recording well to 20 kHz on Akai. Couple things. I had to adjust these capacitors on the head from 62 to 220 picofarad and adjust frequency response using my FR tape. So now it plays same as the Nakamichi on the frequency range, and plus all those capacitors we get everything very near, and it's the same on the chrome and metal tape either. So you may congratulate me, but this deck is going to be working much better now. TDK-D90. Thanks for your time. I will make another demo when I will assemble. Now I'm recording on the Sony XR metal tape. And here is the frequency response. "20 kHz easily." You see? And the last one, TDK-Z. Let's adjust levels. Okay, it's there. And recording. Just a little bit worse than metal tape, but still like 19 and a half kHz easily. Very good results. I'm very happy. A little bit disbalance between left-right channel on frequencies below 40 Hz, but it's not a problem really. Really nice. See? Now let's do 10 kHz. These are your figures. Okay. Let me see what we have here. Here I need to adjust a little bit for this tape. So it's a record azimuth. Okay. Now we have a perfect record azimuth. I believe it should normalize on the frequency sweep. Goes smooth so far. I hope it will normalize left-right channel differences. So you see it already goes better and equal between left-right channel as soon as we get the phase properly. So it's been 18, 19, so 20 kHz. You see how nice it is. Okay, and that was the TDK-Z90. Hope you enjoyed. Now this deck in a very good shape. I will assemble it and enjoy the music. Have a good night. Bye bye.